Yeah, very good morning in Dr. Saurabh sir classes. And in this video series, we are going to discuss a solution of CSIR UGC NET December 2025 Chemical Science Examination. We will solve the questions of the Chemical Science Chemistry paper section B. Okay. In this video series, you will get a proper answer with their concept and trick. Now start the question number second. Question number second is mm, the relative intensity of molecular ion peaks in the mass spectra. They are talking about the mass spectroscopy and relative intensity of the molecular ion peak of compound X and Y. There are the two compounds are given and they are asking about the relative intensity of molecular ion peaks in the mass spectroscopy. And the mass spectroscopy, we can find the mass of the particular compound on the basis of their peaks or intensity. Okay. And in this question, there are the four options are given according to the relative intensity. Now start the solution on the basis of the concept of the mass spectroscopy. So in this question, there are the two compounds are given. Number one is the X compound, and this compound is a benzene bromide, dibromide. Okay, that is the X compound, and second one is the dibromide. That is the attachment of the three bromines at the benzene ring. Okay, there are the all bromine attached ortho para position. Meta position and para position, ortho position. Okay. Now it is a Y compound, right? Now what is the concept behind that? How to find the mass spectroscopy intensity signals in both the compounds. So in this series, we are solving the question on the basis of the concept and according to the calculation of the relative intensity under the mass spectroscopy for a molecule. So what is a concept? Concept is that uh, molecule with n bromine. Okay. First we will calculate the number of the bromine and bromine atoms. Okay. And bromine atoms, the isotope of isotope pattern we can solve on the isotope pattern. Isotope pattern is determined by is determined by the formula, and formula is that intensity ratio like that 1 is to 1 square n. Okay, n is the number of bromine and expansion because naturally occurring bromine is roughly 1 is to 1 ratio, roughly a 1 is to 1 ratio. Mixture of mixture of mixture of 79, it is the isotope of bromine 79, bromine 79 and bromine 81. Both are the isotope of the bromine and they are naturally occurred in the 1 is to 1 ratio mixture. On the basis of this, we can calculate the relative intensity for that. Okay. So now write the one, that is the calculation for the option number 1, compound number X. X is the in the X compound dibromobenzene. Name of the compound is the dibromobenzene, and in this compound total number of the bromine, that is the N is equal to 2, and this 2, put the value of this 2 in this formula and we can calculate the intensity. Okay. So now 1 is to 1 and 2 square 2 because of the number of bromine atom is 2 in the dibromobenzene, that means the X compound. Okay. So now solving this, we will get a 1 is to 2 is to 1. Okay. And similarly, we can calculate for the another compound Y. What is the name of Y? Y is the tribromobenzene. In the tribromobenzene, number of bromine is the 3. Okay, according to the our structure which is given in our question, there are the 3 bromines. Now put the values in the formula. 1 is to 1, 3, that means 1 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1. Okay, so we have got the two types of the intensity known as the relative intensity. Now write the answer is the 1 is to 2 is to 1 and 1 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1. Okay, so match our answer with the given option and given option. In the given option, option number 4 is the matched with our answer. That is the option number 4 is the correct answer. Option number 4 is the correct answer. Okay. We can calculate the relative intensity in the mass spectroscopy on the basis of this formula. Okay. 1 is to 1 on the basis of this formula as well as the natural occurrence of the bromine in the 1 is to 1 ratio. Okay. Thank you.